Goodklife bending machine quick clamps, the reliable choice for more efficient metal bending. Goodklife bending machine quick clamps have been designed specifically for use on bending machines to provide significant improvements in metal bending efficiency, durability, and reliability. The clamps are made from high-strength, wear-resistant materials, with a core of high-quality alloy steel, a material with excellent tensile strength and hardness, and optimized for high-pressure operation through advanced heat treatment processes. This makes the clamps ideal for precision bending operations, as they not only offer increased durability and reduced risk of deformation, but also maintain stable performance under demanding working conditions.